Guys, akala ko mini fan lang to, pero grabe. This is the new style high-speed pocket fan from Gojodoc, and guys, nagulat ako sa lakas niya. Mini lang siya, kasya sa bag, pero 10 times powerful yung hangin, may 100 speed level, so ikaw talaga mag-a-adjust kung gaano mo kagusto kalakas yung hangin. And what I like is yung LED digital display, nakikita mo agad yung battery and speed. And when it first arrived, guys, nung first time ko siyang trinay, umabot siya ng 3 to 4 days bago mag-lowbat. And guys, trinay ko talaga siya nung nag-barbecue kami. Ang bilis magkabaga, doon ko na-realize, guys, na gaano siya kalakas. This is their new color pala, the Urban Silver. And girl, atake siya, built-in like mirror ka pa. So anytime pwede kang like retouch ng lipstick mo or yung makeup mo. So if you're looking for a pocket fan na maliit lang but the quality is good, this one's worth it. This is so perfect sa school, sa labas, sa work, or kahit saan. Kasi girl, malapit na yung summer and alam nyo naman sa Pilipinas sobrang init. Girl, try this one.